Hello everybody, welcome back to Ezekiel Horrors. I know this isn't my type of video, but I feel like you guys could use this if you want to make your own YouTube channels. And it's going to be where I'm going to I'm going to show you how to add a Vine Boom sound effect to your CapCut. So I guess let's start. The first step, I'm not going to import anything, but I guess I will. Go to new channel and see how to add that video. And the way you want to do it is go to audio. So you do this. You can download Bandicam if you're on PC. I'm going to show you how to get it on PC. So, oh wait, did I want to do that? Open Bandicam. You're going to want to start. Oh, I accidentally closed it. Don't close it because then it'll completely close and it'll shut off. Start recording. I don't know, do whatever you want. Doesn't even matter what you do with this. You're going to want to search up Vine Boom. I already have it up and ready. Wait, hold on. You're going to pause it. You're going to wait. You're going to record. And you're going to end the recording. Go to CapCut. Add the extracted audio. I'll make this a bit longer. Oh wait, this is the wrong one. You're gonna want it'll say Bandicam in the thing next to it. I would if you want to see your whole little ads photos. Oh, that's a good thing that you didn't see any of my photos. Cause I got So I'm just gonna add like a black thing right here, cause I got some photos of me and my friend. So I'm just gonna pretend you don't see that. But you wanna open the most recent thing. Add it. Delete this one, obviously. Want to make it a bit longer, probably. Since this doesn't make any noise, you're gonna want to place it where you want it, so where it starts. I guess end it like around right here. Delete both of these. Make the speed. Let's do a bit louder actually. Can't really hear it. Then you could do. And if you want to make it like go fast, you just gotta shorten it a bunch. Copy, paste, paste, and paste. Oh, didn't even do that. I'm gonna drag it. And then the last one, you're gonna make it a bit longer. So you have to be longer than all. Maybe that's good. Then you could add a clip like this one I used for the trailer of Return of the Army. Matter of fact, Returning of the Army might come out the day after tomorrow. Okay, what's my line? Okay, it's gonna be, and you can export it and do all that stuff. Select the folder and everything. So yeah, thanks for watching my video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. No, I guess I just put the outro because this is, I don't know, just peace out.
I've dug two graves for us, my dear. Can't pretend that I was perfect, leaving you in fear. Oh man, what a world, the things I hear. If I could act on my revenge, no would I? Some kill, some steal, some break your heart, and you thought that I